I'm gonna be playing Lego. Let's see. Okay, I'm guessing Lego got it. You wanna do? I'll do this. Alright, thank you. Okay, boom. And ooh, speaking of YouTube guys, consider subscribing for my videos. Ooh, Alex, you're gonna just set up.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Did you want to try to find into the earth
Sure.
Because I was not, I don't know, I was just not good. But
What is this? Is it Reddit?
that's Reddit.
Yeah, I know.
Which?
This one?
Yeah.
Bruh. What is it?
Like, no.
Team.
Someone saying Twitch. That is not good.
It's so. Someone spelled apple wrong. They put A-P-O-L-E. Oh, coffee. Try TikTok. Just see what it does. They've already did TikTok though. So, that's the first one. Let me know in the comments what date it is. I'm gonna Google it. Home lady? What? We should go live. We should.
What are daily things?
Why Gary King? We'd have to do an IRL. Definitely.
Yeah, I know.
I have an idea. You could stream live on the Dairy Queen one. I could stream live on the camera one.
Or we could go live on camera.
True. At that start with T. T-E-L-L-S. No. Wait. Talent out and so each table and that. And then
What I was doing was I was subscribing and liking all the videos camera one by the Dairy Queen one, you know,
is it Threads? No, I was on Threads too. And yeah.
You can't go live with him. Kelly's cookie. Yeah, I have an iOS version.
Windows. Okay. Okay. Yes, okay. No. Only 3 to skip. In. In. You know what? You Granny. Yeah. Just say you saying this. We'll do this. We'll do it. Oh my god. Okay. Do it. No. Guys, let me know down below what that season was. Thank you. Hmm? Okay. So, yes, chicken.
No idea, man.
Winx Plus. No. Nothing. Yeah. What is it? Nothing. 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 I'm gonna do Ooh. Really come.
What?
Make it down. KFC. Dominate. Harmonize. So.
Oh!
Southway?
Southway.
Oh no, that's what she said. Instead of Pepsi. Or instead of Subway. Star. Yeah. So we can talk about Wendy's. Nice taco. Men's Day? Men's Day?
Men's Day.
This is Wendy's. Sophia? Duncan. Andy? This lady does not know shit. Jeez. I'm not gonna do fast because I can put that. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. If you did, comment down below what that P thing is. Thanks. Snizzle, I don't know who you are, but Snizzle. Okay.